I'm really struggling to save money. Do you have any tips?
Absolutely. Let me show you how you can save $10,000 in just 6 months.
Before we think about where we want to go, we need to know where we're starting from. Understanding your current financial situation is crucial. It's like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car without knowing your starting point and destination. You need a clear map. The first step is to track your income and expenses. This gives you a clear picture of your financial health. There are tons of great budgeting apps out there that can do the heavy lifting for you. They simplify the process. Personally, I'm a big fan of Mint, Personal Capital, and Rocket Money. These apps are user-friendly and efficient. They connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions. This saves you time. Think about your spending habits. Do you really need that daily latte? Small expenses add up. Could you switch to a cheaper cell phone plan? Evaluate your options. Small changes can make a big difference over time. By being mindful, you can improve your financial situation significantly. All right, now that you've got a handle on your finances, let's kick things up a notch. It's time to set some epic savings goals that will lead you straight to financial freedom. Remember that $10,000 target in 6 months? Let's break it down into bite-sized steps. To hit our goal, we need to save about $1,667 each month. Sounds intense, right? But don't sweat it. We've already pinpointed where to cut back. Slimming down your budget makes it totally doable. Plus, in the next chapter, we'll dive into ways to boost your income. Think side gigs, freelance work, or selling stuff you don't need. The trick is to set goals you can actually stick to. Don't go overboard and set yourself up for failure. Start small and ramp up your savings over time. Even tiny amounts add up. Celebrate your wins along the way. Keeping track of your progress keeps you pumped. It's all about building solid financial habits that stick. Consistency is your secret weapon for long-term success. And don't forget to use apps like Rocket Money to help you create and stick to your savings roadmap. Let's talk about cutting expenses. We all have those little spending leaks in our budget that add up over time. That daily $5 latte might seem insignificant, but over a year, that's $1,800. Enough for a round-trip ticket to Europe. The goal is to identify non-essential expenses and find creative ways to reduce them. Maybe you can brew your own coffee at home or find free entertainment options. Try tracking your spending for a week or two and highlight everything that isn't absolutely necessary. Apps like Rocket Money can help young Canadians identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your $10,000 goal. Cutting expenses is crucial, but what if we could also increase our income? That's where the power of the side hustle comes in. Think about it. What skills or talents do you have that you could monetize? Freelance writing, graphic design, dog walking. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with potential clients. Even a small side hustle can make a significant difference in your savings journey. Imagine earning an extra $500 or $1,000 per month. That's a game changer. Let's talk about where we're going to keep all this hard-earned cash. It's important to make sure your money is not just sitting idle but actually growing. A traditional savings account just won't cut it. These accounts often offer very low interest rates, which means your money isn't growing as much as it could. We need a high-yield savings account. These accounts are designed to offer much better interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts offer paltry interest rates, sometimes as low as 0.01%. This is hardly enough to keep up with inflation. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates, sometimes 20 to 25 times higher. This can make a huge difference in how quickly your savings grow. This means your money is actually working for you, earning interest while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find your savings have grown overnight. Opening a high-yield savings account is incredibly easy. Most banks offer a simple online application process that takes just a few minutes. A few popular options include EQ Bank, Tangerine, and Simple Financial. These banks are known for their competitive interest rates and excellent customer service. Additionally, apps like Rocket Money can be incredibly useful for young Canadians. These apps help track your progress and find new ways to save, making it easier to supercharge your savings. Open a high-yield savings account and watch your savings grow faster than ever before. It's a smart move to make your money work harder for you. We've talked about tracking expenses, cutting back, boosting your income, and finding the perfect savings account. Now, it's time to put everything on autopilot. Automating your savings is like tricking yourself into saving more money without even realizing it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your HYSA on a regular schedule. Choose an amount that aligns with your savings goals and budget. The beauty of automating your savings is that it takes the decision-making process out of the equation. You don't have to constantly remind yourself to transfer money. Set it and forget it. And there you have it. Follow these steps, stay disciplined, and you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 in just 6 months. It's all about taking control of your finances and making smart decisions every day. Don't get discouraged if you encounter setbacks along the way. They are part of the journey. The important thing is to stay focused on your goals and never give up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. See you next time. This is just the beginning for us at Grow Wealth Daily. Stay tuned, family, as we will continue to reach new heights.